Over here, I'm making roasted bean soup. And I have some beans roasting in the oven right now. They smell really hot and good. I mean, they smell really good when they're hot. I like to grind my beans into a powder so I can cook them. Block your ears, it's gonna be really noisy. Over here you can see that I've poured some beans into a strainer and I'm going to put some water in it. Stay tuned. I'm tipping the water into here. And I better turn the stove on. And as you can see, the strainer is doing a very nice job. The water will heat up and those beans will smell delicious. I just can't wait to have a sip of my soup. It gives me lots of energy. As you can see, I'm very excited about my soup. And it's a really nice brown color. And it'll give me lots of energy once I eat all of that soup. We're just gonna wait for it to heat up. Now it's boiling and it's so hot and smells so good. I just can't wait to have some. Some people like their bean soup with milk, and some people don't. So I'm just going to show you 2 cups so you can see what it looks like. Some people like sugar and other people don't. I'm sweet enough. And thank you for tuning in to my cooking show.